What's up, everybody? Today is Sunday, May 2nd, and I'm on my motorcycle right now, and I'm going to go for a little ride. In the past, I don't know, two or 3 months, I've only ridden the Hyper, maybe. This is going to be twice. It's been a minute. Well, so far I've had a pretty decent weekend. Yesterday I was basically being lazy all day yesterday. I didn't really do much. I actually skipped out on my bicycle ride in the morning because I wasn't really feeling like going out. Actually, my mind was there, but my body just wasn't ready to go on that bike ride, so I just slept in. Didn't do much yesterday. Today I did go on a bicycle ride this morning. We did about 26 miles, so I got my mileage in, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Look like another Ducati back there. Decided today that what I'm going to do is, it's actually nice and cool today. It's a lot cooler today than it was yesterday, but man, I've been really tied up working and doing repairs around the house. We've gotten a whole crap load of rain here lately, and I've been having to deal with issue after issue, you know, clogged gutters and erosion on my front yard and building walls and this and that. Just a lot of BS that I'm trying to get my house back up to tip-top shape for the summer. Even though I probably should have had this off before all the rain rolled in here. But yeah, been going in and out of town working. I'm not really sure where I'm going to ride to right now. I think I'm going to just kind of jump onto this little twisty road and then take one of the back roads that we ride our bicycles on and see if I can end up at Lake Lavon somewhere. See what's going on over there. I haven't been to that neck of the woods here in a minute. Alright, this is the yeah, no. What are my plans for the rest of the day? Well, after I'm done with this little ride here, I'm going to wait till the sun gets down a little lower and take the beagles out, get them their little exercise in, jump on the boosted board. The way my ride went this morning, man, I got dropped really bad. These guys, this pro group that I was riding with, they were just rolling really easy, and when they got to McDermott Road, they opened up to about, well, they basically attacked, went to 29 miles an hour, and I couldn't even catch the back end of the group. I tried just for me. I really didn't even try that hard. I tried just a little bit to keep up, but I mean, these guys were going hardcore. So got dropped, and me and two other individuals, we basically made our run out here. But we had the slower group behind us, and we were just taking turns, getting a little beating from this wind out here. It looked like it was I think it was a north wind today. Just a few days ago it was like a west wind, but yeah, got a really good workout in. My allergies are kicking really hard out here, especially when I get home. When I got home, Lucas, Texas. City of Lucas, Texas. Donkey's gone. I don't know what the hell they did with that damn donkey, but he ain't here no more. I see some fucking goats over there. It looks like they're having dinner. I think I'll go ahead and leave them alone. What I'm gonna do, there's a boat landing up here that I'm gonna try to squeeze into for sale. Huh, I wonder how much they want for that joker. 600 million. I saw a video of a guy the other day on YouTube. He took his Hyper SP and he put these massive knobby tires on his bike, and he was riding these logging trails up in Washington State. Pretty crazy. I don't think I would probably ever put knobbies on this bike and take it on hardcore off-roading trails. So it looks like we're open. Whoa, holy crap. What the fuck? Cocaine is a hell of a drug. That car is fucking in the ditch, like fucking bottomed out. Somebody done fucked up. Uh-oh. So we got the police over here. I guess they're looking out for people dumping shit. Oh, I don't know. Man, that fucking lake is high up here. I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day, this fucking... Wow, this used to be all dirt. Looks like all the Mexicans are bringing their jet skis out here. And people going swimming too. Now, like, I didn't know people actually jet ski in this lake, because they got these massive trees and these stumps and the kind of sticking out over there, and I don't think you'd want to probably hit one of those with your jet ski. So, man, people got freaking balls to freaking be tooling around back there in that lake with their jet skis, but this shit. It's fucking... God damn. The fuck? How the hell do you drive your car? No, maybe they were just trying to pull off and then they didn't see that there's no shoulder. Because the grass is so thick over here, it's just fucking... It's just... nothing. But still, you gotta be some sort of an idiot to drive your car off of the shoulder like that. I see a bridge. A bridge. Holy crap, that wind is fucking kicking pretty hard. Woo! Well, fuck this. See lots of motorhomes out here. RV park. I'm willing to probably bet that most of the people that are in those motorhomes are probably tornado victims from either the Rockwall tornado or from the one that we just got hit with up here in Sherman. Apparently there's a tornado that rolled through Sherman, which is north of here. I did an oil change on this thing just about 2 weeks ago, cleaned out the screens, put about 2.5 healthy quarts of synthetic oil in here because the service manual actually calls for like 3 quarts, and that's way too much for this thing. You'll end up overfilling it. Don't ask me how I know. I do. And I did overfill this thing with oil at one point in time. Never again. I'm thinking about taking a road trip somewhere this summer. I don't know where, but if anybody has any suggestions, let me know. North, south, east, west, wherever. I'd like to do one trip. Bring the Hyper and do some riding. Should I go back to Colorado or what? I've been thinking about maybe hitting Colorado back up, bringing the Hyper with me. Maybe taking a look at some of these properties up here, seeing what the deal is. We're almost in Wheelie Alley down here. I'm gonna try to do my best to hang on to a wheelie down here. My freaking right elbow is jacked up bad. I've had tennis elbow on this freaking arm for literally, I think it's been 3 months. It's still fucking sore as hell. I have no clue what the hell is going on with my elbow, but it freaking hurts like bad. Like when I squeeze or twist or flex, when I flex my hand like this, it actually hurts really bad. So I don't know, you know, I'm just gonna ride her out. I'm gonna ride it out. Try to just fucking tough it out like a hard ass. This is Wheelie Alley right here. I think I'll do a little second gear floater. What do you guys think? You want to see a second gear floater? I'm going to float one in second gear. I think that one was floating pretty good. Try that again, huh? Second gear? Second gear or first? Let's do second. Do another floaty right here. Miles an hour. I can't see shit. Car's coming. I'll try to stay in my lane here. Okay. What's funny is this thing has a fly-by-wire throttle. If you guys don't know what fly-by-wire throttle is, the throttle cables going from my throttle tube here go into a small servo. Well, there's actually like a cam that turns down by the throttle bodies, which is connected to a servo, which transmits the actual position of my throttle tube to the servo, which electronically controls the butterfly valves in the throttle bodies. So the cables here aren't actually directly connected to the throttle bodies, and one of the things with that is it could feel a little vague if you don't know what the hell you're doing, and if you're gonna be doing wheelies, you better damn well know what the fuck you're doing, or you could fuck up big time. And I don't know, I don't think it really feels too vague. It feels pretty decent. The throttle feels really nice and smooth. I've never really had too many oh shit moments, knock on wood. You know, brakes work on it, throttle works, clutch works. So, you know, just hook the sucker up and get her up there. And one of the things is a lot of guys that stunt in the parking lots, they tend to want to avoid that type of a setup on their motorcycles because of the challenging aspect of fly-by-wire throttle, which is understandable because I guess you could have issues adjusting your idle properly. Matter of fact, I have no clue how you adjust the idle on this thing, so who knows. There's got to be a way to turn the idle up on this thing, but I haven't really dug into that type of information. See, so it like, I mean, it does give throttle. Oh, the other thing is I got traction control and ABS off, and I have this thing in race mode, so it is really touchy. Throttle's super touchy. As you can tell, it kind of wants to turn off. It doesn't really like idling. It wants to go. Oh yeah, if any of you guys watch Cesar's YouTube channel, go ahead and leave him some comments on his video asking him where the fuck all the video footage is from last week when we were out here murdering the streets on the service road. He's sitting on a whole shitload of prime footage, and he's not doing the video editing on it, so go ahead and hit him up, tell him Armenian sent you for the prime hyper footage on the service road. Do it, or else I'm gonna come over here and do a wheelie down this service road. Hater. Look at that fucking hater in that car. What the hell are you looking at, bitch? We'll do some wheelies on the Hypermotard. We got a creeper that wants to see me wheelie across this bridge for the first time ever. Brand spanking new bridge. Let's do this now. complete. Now I can go home. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, guys. I'm gonna check out right now.